Hey everyone, this is Evil Crossover back with another review, and this is for the Harry Potter Triwizard Cup desk light. And now if you're familiar with Harry Potter, you remember this Triwizard Cup right here. Now it's a little desk light that lights up. It requires 3 AA batteries, which you would need to provide yourself. But once you get those 3 those 3 batteries, it's gonna light up nicely. So let's just take a look at this Triwizard Cup. You see the name of it right here, Wizard, Triwizard. Got the nice little textures over here. Wow, this looks really nice. Now the light bulb is not replaceable, so just to let you know that. But it's a cool looking Wizard Cup. So right underneath here is where you're going to see the switch for the Wizard Cup. So let's turn that on. And then we're going to need, it's starting to look kind of blue in the light here, which is the normal Harry Potter thing. Wow, this is very nice. So let's see it in the dark a little bit. And there it goes, the Triwizard Cup from Harry Potter. Go get yours. I'll catch you on the next review.